Hey guys, welcome to Pradev's channel. Hope everyone is doing good and staying safe. For gardening videos, so please visit my channel, and I have playlists, and I have a separate playlist for gardening, and I have all my gardening videos here. If you are interested, please check out. In this video, so I will show you from where I get soil for my garden and what are the options we have. Every time when we think of soil for our garden, so first go to place, we go to Lowe's or Home Depot. So let's see what is the price we have in Lowe's. Yeah, if you see for 0.75 cubic feet, so Miracle Grow, so it is $4.28. So let's check what is the price in Home Depot. So even if you see in Home Depot, it is 4.27. So I thought it is bit expensive, because the minimum for my garden I need minimum 10 to 20 bags of soil, and buying around 20 bags for this price, right? I felt it is very expensive. Then I started exploring what are the other options we have. In our area we have Valence Farm. So let's check Valence Farm. Yeah. So yeah, this is the website valencefarmproducts.com, and if you go there, these are the products you can get: soil products, compost, mulch and all that. So I am interested in soil, so let's go here, right? So these are the different soils available in Valence Farm. So topsoil and organic raised bed planting mix, this is what I'm looking for. So I have 4 beds in my garden, so I need to add soil. So these are the different options you have, but the main thing, right, there is no pricing here. So if you want pricing, right, you have to request or you have to call them. So I did call them, and if you see the timings, right, so they are only available from Monday to Friday 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. So they are not available on Saturday and Sunday. So you have to plan to go. So that's why I planned to go today, and I got my soil. So this farm is in North Carolina, and the farm which I went that is in Huntersville, North Carolina, and I will leave a link for the directions in description. So for the ones who are in other states, yeah, definitely there will be some farms nearby. Yeah, definitely check out. So instead of buying from Lowe's, right, so you can buy from these farms, and which will be cheaper compared to these Lowe's or Home Depot. So let's check what I got it. Yeah, I went to the farm in the afternoon, and this is how it looks from the front and after you enter, right? So there is a huge place, and where I think they send all the soil to different places in the country. And so these are the different options they have. So they have all different types of soil: organic soil, potting mix, and raised organic mix, right? And also topsoil. So these are the different options they have. And when there is an office there, so there they have kept all this, and also they have compost and cow manure, so which you can buy. Yeah, to buy soil you need to go to office, and near office, right, they have placed all the items what I showed you, right, all the products. And also they will hand over you a paper where you have to fill what products you need and what is the quantity you need. You need to fill it, and you need to make a payment, and then they will call someone, and you have to go to the soil, right? Like if you see here, right, this is the place you have to go, and the one person will come, and he will check your bill, and if you have made the payment and what items you have purchased, and he will place all the items in your car. So that's a really good thing, and you no need to pick everything and place in your car. So that person will place all the soil or whatever you have purchased in the car. And for my garden I mainly purchased organic planting mix, so which is the main thing, because I am planting everything in ground. And also I purchased potting soil for my plants which I put in pots. and I took compost. So organic compost I took 2 to 3 bags, and I took 1 bag of cow manure, so which I will mix with a garden soil, and when I put all the soil on the ground. So this is what I purchased, and let's see what is the pricing. So this is the paper you will get when you go to office, and which has all the list of products and what is the price and how many bags you need. And if you see the price, right, like for topsoil it is $2, and organic raised bed planting mix which is $3.25, and when we saw in Lowe's it was around $4.25, which is $1 less here, and also this is the organic one. So, and I felt this is good, and I think I took around 4 to 5 bags of soil. And also, right, you have to fill this, and then you have to hand over to office, and they will bill, and you have to make a payment. And this is the sale receipt. You will get it, and this is what you need to hand out to the person who is near that soil, and depending on how many bags you have, and he will place in your car. Hope this video is helpful, and yeah, if you are interested, you can go to Wallace Farm and you can buy soil every year. And if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more videos, and happy gardening.